Consensus, the company that has created MetaMask, is preparing something special for you guys, and you don't want to miss this opportunity. That's right, guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about potential LINEA airdrops. So what is LINEA? LINEA is basically a brand new layer 2 solution for Ethereum, and of course created by Consensus. So as you may know, they have successfully raised an impressive $725 billion in funding, and it is basically a valuation of the company is $7 billion, which is really impressive. So this airdrop is not confirmed, but the beautiful thing is that it's completely free since we have only their testnet. So that's why, guys, I want to guide you step by step. It's actually very simple and it will cost you $0. The only thing you need to do is to have a MetaMask wallet. In case you don't know how to do that, please let me know in the comment and I will make another video for you. So now we have our MetaMask. First thing we need to do is go to chainlist.org. Of course, you'll find all of those links in the video, and up there you need to type LINEA, so L-I-N-E-A. Of course, here include testnets and add to MetaMask. So that will be your first step. When you take a look here, you will find that you can see, of course, LINEA Goerli test network. So we're talking about testnet tokens, so they don't have the real value. So you can see here right now, my wallet is empty when it comes to LINEA test network. So what we need to do first we need to fund our LINEA test network. How we can do that? First step would be going to Goerli Faucet. So goerlifaucet.com, you have to create your account, and the next step would be copying your MetaMask address. You can find it here, and then paste it here. Send me Ethereum. I'm not a robot, of course. You need to complete CAPTCHA, and that's it. After you complete that, you will find your Ethereum testnet token here in your Goerli test network. So we're talking about Goerli Ethereum, testnet Ethereum. So what we need to do, we need to send them from Goerli test network to Ethereum network. So what we need to do, we need to use the bridge, and the whole point here is to test how does things work, and that's why they will probably reward you. So here is you need to go to goerli.hop.exchange, and we need to send our token from our Ethereum test network to our LINEA test network. So what you need to do, simply put the amount here, let's say 0.02, and then send to LINEA. So this is a bridge from Ethereum to LINEA. Click on send. Here we go. You need to confirm that on your MetaMask, and that's it. You are good to go. So we'll make a 10 seconds break for this, and then we're continuing. And we are back. It took more than 10 seconds, to be honest with you, and our first step is done. As you can see here, we have our Ethereum on LINEA chain, so you can find it here as well on your MetaMask. You can see here LINEA Goerli test network. So we are done with our first step. What we have to do next, simply you need to test their apps, and of course the first thing you can do is go to their Uniswap. So Uniswap on LINEA. So you'll find the link in the description, do not worry. And we need to see how does this work. So we will use our connector wallet here, so make sure to connect your MetaMask, and we'll swap Ethereum for CRUSDC. That would be Consensus rolled wrapped USDC. So let's say, for example, I want to swap 0.002, and then this is the amount of USDC I will get. Of course, once again, it's a test network. Click on confirm, and okay, something's wrong, so let's go with 0.001 and click on swap. Alright, price updated, and then confirm on your MetaMask. You can see here there are still some bugs, and that's the whole point of this. Test their network, and at the end you need to provide them feedback via Google form. So it is successful, and I suggest you to do this maybe every single day. Simply play with the network. More interactions you have on their network, more chances you will have for probable airdrop. So there are many different apps you can try here. Make sure to test, but of course I would say that Uniswap is the easiest one. We tested Hop Bridge and of course Uniswap DEX. So there are many options here. And what will be your next step? You need to go to their Twitter and follow it. So while we are here, make sure to follow our Twitter account, and then when you're done with this, your last step would be to provide them feedback about the network. Is it difficult? Is it easy? Are you satisfied? What would you change? So some standard questions, and of course make sure to do that with your email. So that's it, guys. In case you have any questions about this, make sure to ask me in the comment. Also, while you're here, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And of course, until next video, guys, please invest smart.